All right, everybody. So we're here with my 3D printed airboat named Jenny. We gave it ice. We had to. We're on a kick lately. And as you see, we're in Michigan. We got some flooding. This is the ramp. There's not supposed to be water right here. So we're gonna rip around in it in a flat bottom airboat and see how it does. And let me get this powered on and set down in there. Okay, I didn't realize that was kind of close to that. That's okay, it'll be fine. All right, systems check. Do we have rudder? We have rudder. Do we have power? We got power. All right, camera lady's got the muckers on so she can get right up in there. Right up in there, hang on. Nope, not enough. I'm trying not to get wet. Not enough. Yep, camera lady's gonna have to get it out there where it can be buoyant. Handle my Jenny. All right, you ready? Nope, it's plowing. See it? Yep, okay. Bring it in. So too much weight in the front. Oops. Too much weight in the front, right? Mm-hmm. Okay, well, let's see if we can fix it right now. Now, obviously plowing like that, we're gonna get a little water in there. We can empty it out. Okay. Let's try that. Okay. Better, but still plowing a little bit, huh? So it's plows, pretty bad.
It wasn't bad
until I started trying to pick up speed.
Yeah.
As soon as you pick up speed, it starts plowing water over the front. So we need to try to get that battery even further back. Yeah, 'cause we're just filling it full of water on purpose at this point. Is the battery level on the controller working? Is there a bar system? I can't see it. Oh, I think it is working, yeah. You just can't see it in the sun.
Return voltage? Power?
This one.
Yeah, 100%.
Okay. Let's try.
Yeah.
Oops. Okay, weight at the back. All the weight at the back. Now let's see what happens. I would think that nose should come up right up out of that air now. Or out of the water, I mean, out of the air. So all the weight's at the back. There's even a little bit of water left in there. It'll be alright. Take 7. So yeah, we could hang out more over here in the shade where it's not so currenty. Okay, so it planed for a second there. I got up on the flat and it worked good. It seems like, though, if you have the butt too far in the water, the fans aren't really doing anything, is it? How much water did we take in? Oh, barely nothing. I mean, we're good to go. I was worried it was sinking.
No, that's not
It's just that you just got to get it up on plane, literally.
Yeah.
Hmm.
You want to go again?
Well, yeah.
Okay.
I might come over there by the shitter. By the toilet. It goes slow really good. Yeah, now I wanted to get it to try to steer straight. So will you keep a track of it for me while I try to trim it?
Yeah.
Okay, so I gas it and it goes to the right. Oh, that made it worse. There we go. Don't do that. All right, camera lady, let's bring it in. All right, everybody. I hope you did watch my stupid 3D printed boat. It was a lot of fun. I can't wait to do it again. I'll see if I can get that weight figured out, get it just perfect. I'll play around with it in the bathtub. Although, no, because I can't get it on playing in the bathtub. So, nope, we're just going to have to play with some waist placement next time we play with it. I guess until then, I'll see you later.